Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. And guys, as you can clearly see, it happened exactly as I predicted. We saw this massive free fall for the Bitcoin price, which I told you yesterday that because everything was bearish, fundamentally, technically, SP500, everything was bearish. I had a confirmation of a big dump for the Bitcoin price. And guys, you can clearly see that not only I predicted the dump, but I predicted that we're going to see this massive crash, guys, with a free fall. And especially I told you that if we're gonna break the $21,500, we're gonna see instant free fall straight to the $20,400. And guys, the thing that actually shocked me is that we also broke this massive $20,400 area, and we are moving right now under it, which is an indication, guys, that probably from time to time, especially if we're gonna see the confirmation of this daily candle under this $20,400, which is a very crucial support area, then the situation of the Bitcoin under $20,000 is gonna be inevitable. So guys, on this video we're gonna speak for all these things, where we are heading in a short term, mid term, long term. And also guys, I would like to show you the importance of following me on Twitter, because look, before 4 hours I made a tweet and I told you that because we bounced from the $21,500 and we reached the $21,800, that this kind of a pump is actually indicates me that in the next coming hours we are going to see a massive huge dump. And guys, look what happened. That's why it's really important to follow me on Twitter, guys. And before we continue to more analysis, all I want from you is to smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much continue this journey. And with a very simple process of daily like, daily comment, share with your friends, sharing your social media, you're actually helping me so much, and appreciate it for this help, support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone, guys. And let's dive straight to the daily time frame to begin our analysis, because guys, I told you how important it was, this massive support area. It was one of the most crucial supports at the area of $22,172. And the time that we broke it, I told you, I announced you that if we're gonna have the confirmation of the SP500, which we had it because we saw this reversal of the SP500 the time that we broke this massive support area, that right now the situation is of a crash is inevitable. Okay, and you can clearly see that couple days later we saw that massive crash for the Bitcoin price, which right now we're standing on emergency, because we also under of this $20,400 area, which indicates me, as I told you, that there is big probability to see the Bitcoin, guys, under $20,000 from time to time. So right now, as I told you, we broke this massive support area, and right now we start, guys, moving into a downtrend movement. So there is a big probability to see furthermore drop, especially if we're gonna close this massive daily candle under this $20,400 area. And guys, as you can clearly see in the smaller time frame, in the 4-hour time frame, we had this bear flag formation, and also I told you that we're gonna achieve this technical price target 100% from time to time. And you're gonna notice, guys, that from this bear flag, the technical price target was exactly the area of $20,700, as I told you yesterday. And you can clearly see that we accomplished this technical price target 100%, and we moved even more lower than the expected technical price target, which right now, guys, makes the situation in a red alert. Okay, because we can see furthermore drop under $20,000, and probably, guys, we can go at $19,000, as I told you, if we're gonna close this daily candle or under this $20,400. Okay, because we started moving into a downtrend movement. Okay, also we saw massive drop, guys, for the SP500, which is a confirmation of this crash. And especially if SP500 gonna continue into this downtrend movement and getting lower and lower, or even rose, see free fall for this SP500 price, then the situation is going to become even more dramatic than it is right now. And actually, guys, we're gonna experience another massive free fall at 18,000 within $17,000. Okay, as we saw in the previous drop that happened here. So Here I would like to remind you that in all this bullish action, I was one of the first guys that I told you, and I called you this bullish action as the biggest bull trap that we have ever experienced on this bear market. Okay, this was not the beginning of the bull run than most people believed back then. And when I called this bull trap, when we were on this $25,000 area, most people called me crazy at these areas. And right now, guys, you can clearly see that my prediction, it was 100% correct, and most people who actually listen to me and short from the $25,000 area right now made crazy money. And congratulations to all these guys who actually short the Bitcoin from $25,000 and $24,000 areas. Okay, and of course, guys, I would like to mention you here that the trades are only, and the trading, guys, is only for very experienced traders and professionals. It's not for everyone. So if you are a guy who have some money in the bank, just do DCA, dollar cost average. This is the best method that I can suggest you to do right now. Of course, I'm not financial advisor. Do your own research before you do any financial decision for your pocket. But this is what I would have to do if I were you. So let's continue, guys, with a Dixie, because Dixie is moving into an uptrend movement, which is an indication that, guys, Bitcoin is crashing, and of course SP 500 is crashing. It's actually correlated in an opposite way with the SP 500 and the Bitcoin price. And here, guys, I would like you to remind you for one more time that Bitcoin right now following the SP 500. So if SP 500 gonna crash furthermore to the downside at $3,750 area, then the situation of the Bitcoin, guys, is gonna become insane dramatic and probably gonna reach a new bottom, and actually we're gonna get back to the worst case scenario which I was screaming for months. And guys, the worst case scenario for me is exactly this pattern, is descending broadening wedge. And I was probably the first guy that I showed you this descending broadening wedge, because I showed you this pattern, guys, when we were pumping. We didn't even reach this $25,000. We were pumping at $23,000 area, and I told you that I believe that we're gonna move on this descending broadening wedge, because according to fundamentals we were extremely bearish back then, and right now we are bearish than ever. I'm expecting a lot, guys, from week to week to get back to this 12,000 within $60,000 as the worst case scenario for the Bitcoin price, according to fundamentals. Okay, guys, according to fundamentals, because there is a scenario to see even a recession for the global economy, and that recession gonna crash all the markets. So if the SP 500 gonna crash massively, then we're gonna see massive crash for the Bitcoin too, and that's my worst case scenario for the Bitcoin price, the $12,000, guys. And subsequently, afterwards, after some fundamentals recovery, we're gonna start building very slowly the bullish territory back. And guys, this bullish territory actually gonna make us to go all in on the Bitcoin price, because we're gonna break every resistance that we have ahead of us. And by breaking this $30,000 resistance area, it's gonna be, guys, the beginning of the officially beginning of the bull run, because this massive orange line is the previous support of the bull run, of the previous bull run, I mean. Okay, so from indicators, guys, everything is bearish. I will show you only the most important ones. In the 4-hour time frame, the exponential moving average 15 to 100 had a death cross before 2 days. I showed you this immediately when it happened. Also, guys, we are going for the death cross in the 8-hour time frame, which make the situation very dramatic. Okay, if this death cross is gonna happen of the exponential moving average 15 to 100, then of course, guys, the price of Bitcoin under $19,000, it's gonna be inevitable. Also, we have in the 12-hour time frame the super trend indicator, which, as you can clearly see, is bearish, and guys, you can clearly see right now it flipped bearish also for the daily time frame. And also, guys, we have the MACD, which is very bearish, not in the daily time frame but in the 3-day time frame, and that of course create the situation extremely bad. So this is exactly what I would like to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any question. Drop it down below in the comment section, and we're gonna speak more about what is gonna happen in the next coming hours tomorrow. So here I would like you to follow me on Twitter, because until tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna update you on my Twitter. This is why it's important to follow me on Twitter. And guys, until tomorrow video, your boy Chris is out. Bye.